Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account on Bell Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bell.bank/mortgage and press enter. You will now be taken into the official bank for Bell Bank Mortgage. Just click on the login button at the top right corner and then you will be asked to choose your account. Choose from personal or business and then enter your credentials. Type in your username that you set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Bell Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your mortgage account on Bell Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.